The most daring thing you've ever done?
It's difficult for me to believe also, but then I have attempted paragliding. It was about 6 years back, and though the experience was good, the sailing experience, the landing was not smooth at all. Hi, I'm Seema here, and this is my 6 seconds.
The best thing a client has ever told you?
I was actually pulled out of a project and the client ensured that I am brought back in, and his action showed a lot of confidence on me, and that was good, I think.
Your most memorable work from home memory?
I would say not working from home, but working for home has been an experience. I think I did more cooking in 30 days of first lockdown than in my 30 years of married life, and my family will remember it for a long time.
What would you be doing if you weren't doing what you do now?
I would have started my own business, not in software, but something which will help the needy women and empower them.
The missing link to building a truly connected world?
I feel it is true empathy.
Intuition or logic? Which better defines the way you make decisions?
My intuition says it is intuition.
Authenticity or diplomacy, the more effective way for businesses to communicate?
It will be authenticity because it is the truth that will stand for a long time.